all you beautiful people. I'm so happy you could join us today again. Welcome, welcome back. Let us see a raised hand if you are a nature lover. Do you love nature? I love nature myself. Today we are going to continue with nature-related signs. And our first sign for today would be that of tree. You put your elbow pretty much into the palm of your other hand. You open up your hand as if you are showing your trees with branches and leaves and everything, and you shake it a bit. Tree, tree. Do you know how to climb a tree? Tree. Let me turn this way. We had tree. Next, we have the sign for the word leaf. You have your index finger, kind of put it right underneath, like at your wrist of the other hand, and you shake it a bit. Leaf, leaf. When the wind blows, you know the leaf moves from side to side. Leaf. Let me turn this way so you can see. Leaf. The leaf moves in the wind. So we have tree, and we had leaf. Next would be that of rock. We have our R hand, the other hand turned down, and we are going to tap it. Rocks are hard. Rock. So it's a big stone, and you give it a little tap. Rock. Did you get that? We have rock. Rock. Let me turn this way so you can see. Rock. You turn that way. Rock. So we had our tree and our leaf and our rock. Next we have flower. Flowers are beautiful. Flowers. We hold our thumb with our index and the other fingers, and we go like this. Flower, like if we are going to smell the flowers. Some flowers smell really sweet. Flowers. Flowers. One side of the nose, and then over on the other side. Flowers. Let me turn this way. Flowers. What flowers do you like? Do you like roses? I love flowers. Flowers. Which brings us to garden. There are many flowers in the garden. Flat hand, turn down. We use our G hand on the other hand, and we go around like that. Garden. Garden. Kind of shaking it. Garden. Let me turn this way so you can see. Garden. All the way around. Garden. So we had flowers or flower, and we have garden. This brings us to grass. You have flat hand, kind of move your fingers, close it a bit like a claw hand, underneath your chin. Grass. Grass, you bring it out a bit. Grass. Let me turn this way. Grass. So we had garden, and now we have grass, claw hand, grass. And finally, we have that of plant. Plant. We hold our thumb and the index, the other fingers like this, and we come up through this one, and we go out with a P. Plant with a P. The plant is growing. Finish off with a P. Plant. Plant. Let me turn this way so you can see. Plant. Did you see that? Plant. Plant. So now we're going to review all the signs for today. First we had tree, tree, and leaf, leaf. Then we had rock, rock, with the R, rock, and flower, flowers. Like you're going to smell the flowers. It goes close to your nose. Next we had garden, flat hand, with a G, garden, 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 and grass. Clawed hand turned up, grass right underneath your chin, grass. And last we had plant. Plants are growing, turn out. Plant. You finish up with our P hand. Plant. Plant. Did you get that? You did such a wonderful job. Continue practicing and we'll see the next time. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
Remember, wear a mask. Stay safe. Bye-bye.